this one's gonna be mine. This is gonna be my special surprise, and I'm not gonna use all kinds of colors, all crazy. I'm just gonna use, first of all, black. I'm gonna do something weird like that with it, and I'm gonna get the gray in there. Some gray. Throw a little bit of, they call it ice cream.
Vanilla ice.
A little dried out, that's okay. And then we got purple. Do a little swirl on it. And then we got the glittery gray. And it's looking like we're just gonna do this.
Hey! Go to base! You can't get us around base.
Let's see what we get from this. Alright, are we ready?
No, we're playing
Here we go.
Let me see.
What do we got?
That looks
Whoa. That's a
Some
Hawaiian color.
random weirdness.
That looks really cool.
Let's go.
Alright. There's mine. You see that down there? Oh, glitters. Cool. Alright, this next one's for Mom. She's doing a black canvas. What colors you got, Mom?
I'm saving black because it's already black. We got aqua.
Black paint on it will give it a shine though.
I'm going to put it on top. I'm gonna do all the colors first. This is a big one too.
Oh, she wrote my name.
Kinda. Yeah, it did. Oh, JC. And we got Great Taffy.
Purple.
Need more purple.
Purple and the black.
Celery.
Celery. A weird green or yellow.
It's a pretty green though. Flop it on there. We got Ocean Breeze.
Ocean breeze.
Oh, holy moly.
A weird green.
We got some neon yellow.
Yellow, bright yellow. Neon. Oh, there you go. Sprays.
Mediterranean blue.
Nice blue.
And aqua. And then I'll top it off with a little black.
A black spiral, is that all?
Yeah.
No glitter?
No, I don't want glitter.
Alright, here it is. Are we ready?
I think so. I like it already. I can see it. Yeah, buddy.
There it is.
That's really pretty.
That turned out nice.
What are these looking like? Splatter paint.
Alright, this is the ending. This is the black background splatter paint, the white background splatter paint. This is the black background canvas. And these are the white background canvases. You guys tell us which ones you like the best in the comments down below. And we all want to say thanks for watching.
Thanks for